Understand Python swapping. Y is A, B equals B, are not always equivalent to B. A equals A, B. As we all know, the Python way to swap the values of two items A and B is, and it should be equivalent to. However, today when I was working on some code, I accidentally found that the following two swaps give different results. This is mind-boggling to me. Can someone explain to me what happened here? I thought in a Python swap the two assignments happen simultaneously and independently.
From python.org. Assignment of an object to a target list, optionally enclosed in parentheses or square brackets, is recursively defined as follows, else, the object must be initerable with the same number of items as there are targets in the target list, and the items are assigned, from left to right, to the corresponding targets. So I interpret that to mean that your assignment is roughly equivalent to, with better error checking, of course, whereas the other is like. So the right-hand side is evaluated first in both cases. But then the two pieces of the left-hand side are evaluated in order, and the assignments are done immediately after evaluation. Crucially, this means that the second term on the left-hand side is only evaluated after the first assignment is already done. So if you update nums_i first, then the nums_i 1 refers to a different index than if you update nums_i second.
This is because evaluation, specifically at the left side of the equals, happens from left to right. First nums_i gets assigned, and then that value is used to determine the index in the assignment to nums_i-1. When doing the assignment like this, the index of nums_i-1 is dependent on the old value of nums_i, since the assignment to nums_i still follows later.
This happens according to the rules. The right-hand side is evaluated first, then, each value of the left-hand side gets its new value from left to right. So, with nums equals 1, 2, 4, 3, your code in the first case is equivalent to and as the right-hand side is now evaluated, the assignments are equivalent to. Which gives. In the second case, we get
On the left-hand side of your expression you are both reading and writing nums_i. I don't know if Python guarantees processing of unpacking operations in left to right order, but let's assume it does. Your first example would be equivalent to, while your second example would be equivalent to. Which is consistent with what you got.